In the last 2 years, AI tools have turned ordinary people into full-time online earners. One of the best examples is Ali Abdaal, the world-famous productivity YouTuber who openly shares how AI tools helped him scale his content, automate editing tasks, speed up translation work, and earn millions of dollars online. And here's the truth. He didn't start with expensive software. He started with free tools that anyone can use. So if you're someone who wants to earn from online editing, proofreading, or translation jobs, this video is for you. Today, I'll show you the best and latest free tools of 2025 that can help you start making money even if you're a beginner. These tools are powerful, easy to learn, and used by freelancers all over the world to get real clients. Let's break down the tools that can turn your skills into income. Quillbot 2025, Advanced Editing and Paraphrasing. The update that was released in 2025 for Quillbot makes it one of the most powerful free tools for editing and rewriting text. The artificial intelligence engine has enhanced fluency, clarity, and natural sentence structure, which assists editors in producing content that is thoroughly cleaned and polished. Paraphrasing, proofreading, checking grammar, and fixing problematic sentences are all features that are available even in the free edition. Improved articles, rewritten assignments, clean subtitles, and polished client content are all things that freelancers use Quillbot to do. As a result of its natural writing style, it frequently generates results that are more human-like than those produced by previous technologies such as Grammarly. It is one of the easiest and most effective tools to begin utilizing if you are just starting out as an editor. Quillbot is one of the tools. DeepL Smart Writing plus high-quality translation. DeepL is currently one of the most accurate AI tools for editing and translation because it understands context, tone, and natural flow. Unlike Google Translate, which sometimes gives rough or literal results, DeepL keeps the meaning and improves the sentence structure. Editors use it to refine text, while translators use it for accurate language conversions. The tool works especially well for European, Arabic, and Asian languages. It also gives tone suggestions and clarity improvements, which makes your work appear professional and polished. ChatGPT 5 Editor Mode, Human-Level Rewriting. The editor mode that is included in ChatGPT 5 is an extremely capable interface that provides assistance for translation, editing, and proofreading. The software has the ability to correct grammar, enhance tone, rewrite lengthy paragraphs, reduce text, enlarge text, and even simplify material that is difficult to understand. When it comes to translation jobs, ChatGPT 5 can provide explanations of cultural meaning, correct idioms, and assist you with producing natural language in the translation that you are supposed to be doing. Editor mode is now being used by a large number of freelance writers as a real-time writing helper since it enables them to provide high-quality work more quickly, which in turn results in more clients and more money. Wordvice AI, Academic and Professional Editing. In the event that you are interested in obtaining editing work in the business or academic industries, Wordvice AI is among the best free tools available. While adhering to the conventions of formal writing, it enhances the quality of research papers, articles, reports, and journal publication submissions. The instrument examines the flow of sentences, as well as clarity, vocabulary, and tone consistency. It is a final stage in the polishing process that many editors utilize before releasing their work to clients. Proofreading for academic purposes is more lucrative than proofreading for other purposes, and employing Wordvice AI makes it easier to achieve professional standards with less work. LingvanX 2025, Instant Translation for Files, Voice, and Documents. Documents, voice notes, photos, and full PDFs are all supported by the strong artificial intelligence translator known as LingvanX. The 2025 version of the software has been completely overhauled and features improved accuracy. This is especially handy for translators who receive huge documents from clients who use Fiverr or Upwork as their project management platform. The application is able to comprehend the context, preserve formatting, and provide assistance for offline translation. Because of this, it is an excellent choice for individuals who wish to work with content that is available in multiple languages, subtitles, business files, or technical manuals. Trados Free Online Editor 2025. Trados is the most reliable software in the world for professional translators, and now those who are just starting out as freelancers have a significant edge thanks to its free online version. You are provided with translation memory, terminology suggestions, context matching, and structured processes, all of which contribute to a more accurate, faster translation. Translators who utilize Trados are highly regarded by their clients since it demonstrates professionalism and guarantees quality that is consistent. This technology can raise your revenues and speed up your translation work by a factor of 2 if you are serious about taking translation work seriously. CUDA Text AI Editor, clean interface for long editing jobs. CUDA Text is a lightweight AI-powered editor perfect for long documents, articles, ebooks, or scripts. It provides a distraction-free writing space with AI editing plugins. You can rewrite, check grammar, organize content, and clean large files without lag. Editors use it because it's flexible, free, and excellent for managing long-form client work. Capwing AI, subtitle editing plus translation for video jobs. Online video editing jobs are exploding, and Capwing AI has become one of the best free tools for subtitle work. It automatically generates captions, fixes timing, translates them, and allows you to edit everything visually. Many freelancers make money creating subtitles for YouTubers, TikTok creators, and brands in multiple languages. Capwing AI cuts subtitle editing time by 80%, making it a very profitable skill for beginners. Writesonar, real-time AI writing quality checker. The technology known as Writesonar was invented in the year 2025. It allows evaluating the quality of the content and providing precise recommendations for its enhancement. This test evaluates a number of different aspects, including reading level, tone consistency, sentence structure, overused terms, and intelligibility. It ensures that the final document will have a refined and professional appearance, which is why editors use it before submitting papers to clients. This is because it protects the document from being rejected. This tool is excellent for blog editors, social media managers, and academic proofreaders. Localize AI Free Tier, App and Website Translation. Localize is a localization tool that is utilized by actual businesses for the purpose of translating software, websites, games, and applications. Support for string translations, the construction of glossaries, context previews, and user interface simulation are all included in the free edition. This means that you will be able to preview how the text you have translated will look within the application or website. Localization jobs pay more than regular translation jobs, and using Localize quickly presents you as a professional. Localization jobs pay more than translation jobs. These latest 2025 free AI tools are powerful enough to help you start earning money from editing and translation jobs today. They speed up your work, improve quality, and help you deliver professional-level results, even if you're a beginner. Just like Ali Abdaal used AI tools to scale his work and build a huge income stream, you can also use these tools to start building your own online freelancing career.